Hi friends, welcome to the video. Today we are going to learn how to checkmate with a single rook. First, let us try to understand the plan. The plan is similar to checkmating with a single queen. To get a recap of checkmating with a single queen, please use the link in the description. Similar to the queen, even the single rook is not able to give the checkmate in the center of the board. We can only give the checkmate either in the corner or on the edge of the board. One important thing to note is in every checkmating patterns, there will be some stalemating possibilities as well. So as part of learning the checkmating patterns, try to identify the stalemating possibilities as well so that you will be careful in the actual games. Now in this position, the black king is pushed to the corner and the white king is at a knight's distance from the black king. Please pause the video and identify both the stalemating move as well as checkmating move. Yes, the stalemating move is rook b7 and the checkmating move is rc8. Now, if you closely observe the checkmating pattern, what we observe is the attacking king is at a knight's distance both from the opponent king as well as the checkmating rook. So this is a easy way of remembering this pattern. Yeah, so this is similar to the previous pattern except position of the king and the rook are interchanged. Now let us look at the checkmating pattern on the edge of the board. Now in this position, the black king is on the edge of the board and the white king is preventing it from moving to the 7th rank. Please pause the video and identify the checkmate. Yes, the checkmate is rf8. Now that we have learned the checkmating patterns both in the corner as well as on the edge, let us try to understand the actual method of checkmating. So here we are going to discuss two approaches. In the first approach, we use a method known as box method. So the logic here is simple. We just put the opponent king in a box with the help of the rook, and subsequently with the help of our king we will keep on reducing the box and finally move the opponent king to the edge of the board. Now let us see this method. The first move is rb3. Now what is this move doing? It is containing the king to this box. So our next plan is not to allow the king to escape from the box and slowly reduce the box. Okay, in this method, in every move, we need to ask a question. Can I reduce the box with the rook? If yes, move the rook or else move the king. Now in this position, can we reduce the box with the rook? Yes, then move the rook. Can we reduce the box? No, move the king. Can we reduce the box? No, move the king. Can we reduce the box? Yes, move the rook. Can we reduce the box? No, move the king. Can we reduce the box? Yes, move the rook. We'll use the same logic and push the king to the edge. So now we have succeeded by pushing the king to the edge of the board. Please remember the checkmating pattern and try to checkmate. You recognize the pattern? The attacking king is at a knight's distance from both the defending king as well as from the rook. So we have checkmated in the corner. Now let us discuss the second method. In the second method, the key concept used is the opposition. Every time we give the opposition to the king, we push the opponent king towards the edge of the board. Now let us see this method. Now that the opponent king has got the opposition, let us use the rook and push the king towards the edge. You recognize this pattern? The black king is not able to come to the D file, so it needs to move towards the F file. So every time we give the opposition to the king, with the help of the rook, we give the check and then move it towards the edge. Please understand this pattern. Again, we have achieved the checkmating in the corner. We'll also try to see how do we achieve the checkmating on the edge of the board. So this is an example of checkmating on the edge of the board. So friends, this is the end of the video. If you liked the video, please subscribe to the channel so that you'll get notified on the next releases. Thank you. Bye for now and happy learning.